everybody, we're now going for a ride in our 1972 Chevy Chevelle. Big block under the hood, got the electronic Dakota digital gauges. Other than that, got a nice beautiful orange exterior with the white SS stripes, white interior and a white vinyl top. What's really nice about this year is the last year for the Chevelle, at least in the coupe body style. So everybody tries to at least get a good Chevelle. At least this one's one of the better years. Other than that, as we're cruising down the road now, I don't want to give it too much power. But other than that, it's got the aftermarket wheel on it, aftermarket stereo. It does have vintage air. That's one of the best things you can have. A big block and AC. Good turning radius. Has different style wheels on it to make the car look a little more modern. Other than that, going up the road's pretty smooth. Kind of mean sound coming out the back. As you'll hear in the walk around video, you'll really hear the sound of the cam coming out the back. But yeah, this one's meant to perform. Anyway, we're gonna get her turned around now and get her on the lift. Please stay tuned to see the underneath.